Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So let's open the browser and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options, let's say, because we've got the history, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or all time. If you're okay with that, simply tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Mark the option you'd like to remove. I will remove everything. You can also change the time range. I will choose all time and then tap on delete data. And we just got back to the browser, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.